Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how watermelon juice is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory tours like this. Flow rate is looking perfect. Keep it at this speed. Line 3 yield is dipping below target. We need to check the feed rates now.
Adjusting flow to compensate. The extraction process separates pure watermelon juice while preserving flavor and freshness.
Centrifugal separators spin rapidly. This process removes unwanted particles, leaving only the pure liquid behind.
Purity levels are at 99%.
Perfect. Let's log the data.
Modern filtration equipment removes remaining pulp particles, ensuring a perfectly smooth and refreshing glass of watermelon juice.
Pressure looks stable on line 2.
Let's increase the flow. Each Each batch is carefully balanced to maintain identical flavor and quality.
Our advanced heat treatment systems effectively preserve freshness and extend shelf life.
Every bottle is carefully inspected before leaving the factory.
This one hits the mark. Very consistent flavor. Agreed. The chromatography results confirm the compound ratios as well.
And that's how watermelon juice is made, Reprede, from start to finish.